to add two videos on your screen.
Maybe you want to react on someone's video. How to add that video you want to react to your own video? You will be by the side and the video you are reacting to will be by the other side. Join me on the screen. Let me show you how to add the video. How to off the volume of the video you are reacting to. Maybe you want to talk, you talk first before owning the volume of that video you want to react, or you want the volume of the video you are reacting to talk first before you talk your own. Join me on the screen. Let me show you how to add two videos on your screen. Your own video will be showing, the video you are reacting to will be showing. Let's go, guys. Let me show you how to achieve this.
So guys, if you want to add two videos on your screen, all you need to do is go to your InShot or CapCut, anyone you're using, tap new, then bring in the your video. Yes, once you bring in your video, you tap it, go to Canva, change the ratio either to 1:1 or 4:5. After changing it, you tap good. Then shift the video like this. Either you keep it by the right or you keep it by the left. Any side you want to keep using it, expand it like this. Shift it like this. So once you shift it like this, you off the volume. Off the volume if you want to talk first before the video will talk its own. So if you want to talk first, off the volume. Once you off the volume, you tap good. So once you off the volume of the video you want to react on, you come and talk what you want to talk. So after talking whatever that you want to talk concerning the video, you pause it, then tap split, come here, off the okay, I've already off all the volume. Okay, let me on it again. Then off the volume of your own, tap good. You understand? Then go to PIP. Here now, tap the video, tap PIP, then look for volume, see volume, you on the volume of the so that the video will play. So anywhere that you want this video to stop playing, you want to talk again, all you need is just to look for split. Anything that you want to cut out, anything that you are doing both on your own video and the video you are reacting it, is split that you use to cut anything. So once you tap split, you want to off the volume again, you off the volume, tap good, tap good, go to your own video, split, tap volume, then on the
Two.
volume. So that's how to do it. Bring in two videos like this. Then let's assume you don't want the video to be like this. You want your own to be by the right and the video you are reacting to be by the left. All you need is just to tap your video, shift it like this, then go to PIP, tap this one, shift it like this. Have you seen it? It has changed. Or you want this video now to be down, just keep it like this. Now I want it to be down, you keep it like this, tap good, then tap that your own, make it to cover the whole screen. Have you seen it? It has covered the whole screen. So the video will be down. Or if you want the video to be up, then you bring your own down, bring your own down, then tap, take this one up. This one now is the style of very dark man. You see very dark man, all his videos to be showing up here. then the very dark man will be down here. That is how to do it. For those of you maybe that have been wanting to know how very dark man do those videos, it's like this. That is how he does those of his videos. You see it? So it's very easy and simple to put two videos on your screen, your own and the one you are reacting to. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this video interesting and helpful, don't forget to like, share and follow for more videos. I love you all. Bye. See you on my next video.